Hey guys, this is another video of my great Galaxy 12-inch oscillating table fan model 2150. This is another video of it again. This time we have the blades swapped like I did with my Galaxy Lasko model 3162 wall fan. And so just like on the that wall fan, we now have the blade and the cages swapped from my Dayton 4C507 table fan, just like the blue version of these 2150s. So now we're gonna do a demo of it. Here's high. Medium. Now we'll put on the oscillator. Back up to medium. And back to high. And the lift goes off. Thanks for watching.